Hey, what's up guys, this is Guillermo Auto. I'm doing a 2016 Dodge Ram outside window belt replacement. That's kind of like that rubber piece on the outside of the door right by the window. This one's deformed. It looks like this little rubber piece. Gonna replace it. It's kind of bent right there. So basically what you do is open your door, roll your window down, take the screw out right here. Just go ahead and undo this screw. It's a Phillips head. You could use a drill or a Phillips screwdriver, don't matter. Save this screw, you'll need it. If you have something like this little plastic pry bar, you might need it to help get this out. So once you get that out, just kind of start from back here and lift it up, pull it out. This one actually just popped right out, but the other ones that I've done were like kind of hard to get out, and I had to use this little plastic pry bar to help out. Like the back ones especially are kind of harder to come out. They're a little more stubborn. If you're going to do it, your back one, there's a screw, not over here, not over here, over here. Right here, there's a screw. It's kind of hidden. It's right there in the door. And you got to take that out, and then you do the same procedure for the back after you get that screw. But that screw's like on the inside there. So this is the left front part number. This is my part. This is from the dealer. I don't know if you can get these aftermarket, but this is from the dealer. Here it is. You'll notice that it has this little spot right here for a screw to go into, and that's where we'll put it to screw in. I'll show you what I mean. So like this will go over here, and then when you put this in, you just kind of line it up and kind of just work it on. You might hear it pop and snap in place. You want to get it right the first time. Slide this part in under here. Make sure it doesn't go on the outside like mine just did. Make sure you get it underneath, and then pop this in place. You know, like I said, you might hear it snap, and then when you have it all in place and it looks good, we'll go ahead and put the screw in. That'll be kind of like the last thing you do. So make sure your screw hole's lined up. If it's not lined up 100% perfect, don't worry. Just get the screw in, and there you go. So I hope this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching. See you next video.